The instructions on this problem say to simplify. We've got an algebraic expression, -3 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 2 times the quantity y plus 1. First thing I'm going to do is put coefficients on these variables inside the parentheses. And then just to remind myself that I'm distributing or multiplying here, I like to draw these arrows. So I'm distributing a -3 to the first set of parentheses. And then because this is a plus 2, I want to think of this as multiplying both quantities on the inside by a plus 2. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see. -3 times 1 is -3, and then we have to attach the x. -3 times positive 2 is -6. On the other one, we've got a positive 2 times positive 1 is positive 2, but we attach the y. And then positive 2 times positive 1 is positive 2. So now we have 4 terms. And there's only 2 of them are like terms, and those are the constant terms, the -6 and the positive 2. So combining a -6 and a positive 2 would give us a -4. And then all that we can do is copy the other terms down. We usually put them in alphabetical order, so I'll put the -3x first, and then the plus 2y. So as a final answer, we would get -3x plus 2y minus 4. Let's suppose that this problem were -3x times, or -3 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 2 times x plus 1. So in other words, I'm making both the variables x's. Again, I'm going to go back in here and put the 1's as coefficients. Let's just see what would happen on a problem like this. So again, to remind myself that I'm distributing a -3 and a positive 2. By the way, if this were a subtraction, you would want to think of it as distributing a -2 rather than a positive 2. Okay, let's see what we've got here. So on the first one, if we distribute a -3 times 1, I get -3x. And -3 times 2 is -6, so nothing's changed there. On the other one, however, when I distribute, I'm going to get a positive 2x instead of a y. And then positive 2 times positive 1 is positive 2. Now you'll notice that combining like terms, both of these would be x's, so I would combine those together. -3 and positive 2 would be a -1. You don't have to write the 1. You can if you want, or you can just put -x. And then the constant terms would combine just like they did before, and -6 plus 2 would be -4. So again, the difference is on this one, we have like terms in terms of the x's, so they combine. On the other one, we had x's and y's, so they don't combine. And we just write them in alphabetical order with the constant term on the end.